Interesting things are happening at Tesla Giga Texas as the company is about to start the production of the Model Y. So first Giga Texas rooftop solar panels that are already installed on rooftops are revealing plans to spell the word Tesla. I'm looking forward to see it on from the plane when you fly over the company. So based on the placement of the panels, it appears as though the automaker intends to let everyone that flies above the Giga Texas factory know exactly who it belongs to, that it belongs to Tesla. Drone operator Joe Tegtmeyer and Jeff Roberts both captured footage this weekend showing the panels on the top of Giga Texas that are being installed to spell out the word T-E-S-L-A, Tesla, on the rooftop of Giga Texas. Although only a few hundred panels have been installed so far, one can clearly make out the beginnings of either the T or E in Tesla. Drone operator Joe Tegtmeyer, who has always allowed us to use his images and videos and has been chronicling Gigafactory Texas from day one and drives a lot of distance to go back and forth to fly his drones, attempted to visualize what the final product might look like, but in reverse, since the letters will be visible from the negative space between the panels. That means black will be empty space while white will be the solar panels. This will cover the majority of the roof, which with panels, making it one of the largest, if not the largest, rooftop solar panel installations in the United States. The first solar panels were delivered to Austin earlier this month, along with the necessary mounting hardware and inverters. Tesla chose to go with panels from Longi, which are described as the best choice for ultra-large power plants, offering higher efficiency and better reliability than the competition. Now, I will have the link in the description of this video so you can watch the drone flyovers from Joe Tegtmeyer and Jeff Roberts and can see them in video option. So friends, are you excited about this? Let me know what you're thinking. Imagine if each company installs solar panels just like Tesla is doing at Giga Texas and maybe in other places. This is a lot of good thing because you get lots of suns here, and I've been only in Austin one time, so if you guys have been flying regularly recently in and to Austin and out of Austin, let me know if you could see the Gigafactory as the planes take off, because I think Giga Texas is only about 15 minutes away from Austin International Airport. So if yes, maybe in the future when we fly over Giga Texas, we can see it from the solar panel spelling the word Tesla. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. Give us thumbs up, please, and let's move on to our breaking news story. Everyone, Tesla Cybertruck prototype is already spotted supercharging. This is the first time we see a Tesla Cybertruck supercharging, and it's very important because this confirms the location of the charging inlet at the rear of the Cybertruck. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. A prototype of the Tesla Cybertruck has been recently seen for the very first time at a supercharging station. Tesla Cybertruck has been seen charging. A photo taken at the Tesla Giga Texas supercharger obtained from an unknown author has been shared by Drive Tesla on its Twitter channel. It confirms the location of the charging inlet of the driver's side of Cybertruck, rear wheel arch, if you can see the walkthrough and also in the images. Tesla already accustomed us to installing charging inlets in the rear of the car, although in the previous 4 models, Model S, Model X, Model 3 and Model Y, the inlet was integrated in the light area. Interestingly, the location was in a different place in the concept images of the Cybertruck, notes Inside EV's reporter. So what do you think about this, friends? I'm thinking that if Tesla Cybertruck's location is changing, it's unknown how fast the Tesla Cybertruck will charge, but most likely it will be at the maximum level of the Supercharger, currently 250 kilowatt in V3 versions, simply because it will have a very large battery, potentially 200 kilowatt hour or more. By the way, according to a rumor, Tesla is expected to increase V3 supercharging output to 324 kilowatt and introduce V4 version, which potentially will offer even a higher power. Anyway, the Tesla Cybertruck launch has been postponed by at least a year to 2023. Hopefully, it means that there is plenty of time to finalize the details. In fact, we have seen the Cybertruck design changing several times, the Cybertruck's out views changing several times, so there's plenty of time to make more changes, but the delay is coming for two reasons: supply chain issues, the chip issue, and also the 4680 battery issue. In 2022, Tesla intends to focus on scaling up the production of existing models, especially the Tesla Model Y, at its two new plants in Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Berlin, says Mark Kane from Inside EVs. So what do you think about the Cybertruck charging, friends? Does it look good? Do you think the charging from the rear is a better idea than charging from the side? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's continue the discussion there. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please visit us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily breaking Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a wonderful day, everyone. God bless you, and let's move on to our next Tesla story. Yesterday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk just took the entire EV sector down with these comments. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up if you like this coverage that you're about to hear. Chris Isidore reports from CNN Business saying 6 months ago, Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, said he would stop attending investor conference calls unless there was something important that he needed to say. He should have stuck with that plan, says Isidore, Chris Isidore from CNN.com. After skipping Tesla's third quarter call, he returned to the call Wednesday to discuss fourth quarter's record earnings and revenue. But his comments on this week's conference call spooked investors despite Tesla's successful financial results. Tesla shares had their worst day in months on Thursday, losing 11.6% and taking the other electric vehicle stocks down along with it. Elon Musk focused his comments on supply chain issues that had hurt Tesla far less than other automakers. Although Musk said Tesla was on path to be comfortably above 50% growth in 2022 and that the chip shortage is better than last year, he also noted the supply chain problem is still an issue that could slow the rollout of new vehicles that had been expected as soon as this year. He said plans for its Cybertruck, Tesla's first electric pickup, would be pushed back to at least 2023, along with a new Roadster and a semi-truck. He said he hopes Tesla will be ready to bring those to production hopefully next year. That is more likely. That wasn't what Tesla investors wanted to hear, especially as competition heats up. Upstart EV truck maker Rivian is already building and selling its electric pickup, which recently won Motor Trend Truck of the Year honors. Ford is due to start building its F-150 Lightning EV in the spring and plans to produce 80,000 trucks a year to meet strong pre-orders. General Motors this week announced it would start building an electric vehicle version of its Silverado and Sierra pickups in 2024. Some Wall Street analysts were frustrated by Elon Musk's comments on the call. There was no reason that he needed to double down and shout supply chain into a crowded theater, said Dan Ives, tech analyst at Wedbush Securities. He gave the bears meat on the bones. That's why the stock sold off. I'm convinced if Musk was not on the call, the stock probably would have been up on Thursday. None of Elon Musk's comments directly address the situation at other electric vehicle companies, but all the pure play EV stocks fell sharply Thursday. Rivian fell 10.5%, while Lucid shares tumbled 14.1%, and Chinese EV maker NIO had its US shares fall 6.8%. I've said Musk's comments raised concerns that if an electric vehicle maker as big as Tesla is facing problems, its smaller upstart rivals could be suffering even worse. Tesla shares are down 21% this year through Thursday's close, and it has fallen below a 1 trillion market cap, a benchmark it hit late last year. Even with the sell-off, which continued Friday, Tesla shares are worth more than the market value of the 10 largest car makers in the world combined. That means Tesla has a valuation that many people think is unsustainable, making it more sustainable to sell off like the one Thursday, especially at a time that broader US markets are already in correction territory. Investors wanted confidence from Musk, I've said. Instead, they got him talking about supply chain and robots. Elon Musk's comments on the call were a stark contrast to Apple CEO Tim Cook's performance on its call Thursday evening. Cook also had very strong fourth quarter results to report, and like just about all manufacturing companies on the planet, is dealing with supply issues. But with Cook assuring investors, Apple shares were higher in Friday morning trading. Friends, as I'm reporting this story, I just wanted to let you know that I am not in the stock market. I'm not a stockholder, and I'm reporting pure news for you. And therefore, what I'm about to say is not bound by any conflicts of interest. I personally think Elon Musk did well telling the truth. It is important to know the truth so people know when to invest, because people want return on their investment. And Elon Musk said honestly that we are having supply chain issues, and the chip shortage issue is not finished yet. This gives investors a good idea if they invest in electric vehicles when they can have return. Right now, all cars are expensive because of supply chain issues. I have friends who want to buy cars and they tell me that cars are expensive. Not only electric cars, but also all types of cars are expensive. Used car prices have gone up because there aren't that many new cars coming to the market because of the supply chain issues and also chip issues. So Elon Musk told the truth and honestly said that, and I appreciate that. Although I myself am not a stockbroker or not a stockholder. I'm not in the stock market at all. So I think I appreciate what Elon Musk did in this case, telling the truth, so people may be able to invest in other areas and have decent returns on their investment. But this also gives people who are long-term investors maybe a good shot, maybe good discount prices, because they know that when the chip shortage is solved, which will eventually be solved, hopefully, the stock market will rebound. The car industry, the car sector will rebound. Electric vehicle sector will rebound, and things may get back to normal. I said may because we don't know about the future. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And please, let's move on to our next story. Please let me know in the comments section, do you think people will appreciate or should appreciate Elon Musk's honest opinion on the situation? Have a wonderful day, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.